I'm Lily Hight, and I run a retail and full music studio. We sell instruments like guitars and music. We also teach lessons for all ages and on all instruments. I love the Let's Play Music programs. They're so great for students ages 0 all the way up to the age of 12 to introduce them to our studio and have such a great foundation. The materials are so professional and are so vibrant. I love that Let's Play Music provides training to my instructors. I know that they're getting the information they need to be able to teach the classes effectively. There's lesson plans that help our teachers teach the curriculum so thoroughly. They're so well supported by the Let's Play Music company. It's one less thing for me to worry about. The brand of Let's Play Music is so well established. It's fun, it's vibrant, it's playful, and parents trust that brand. And so having that incorporated in our music studio adds that legitimacy and that trust that parents are looking for.